Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert a SIM card in VIVO S17. To do this, first we'll need to open a SIM card slot on the back of our phone, like this. Take the SIM ejection tool, preferably one that came with this device. Open the slot, remove it, and inside I've actually already placed my SIM card. And now there's a dual SIM slot on this device, so that means you can place two different SIM cards inside. And there's a first slot right here, and I'm gonna enter my card inside that one. Align the card with that cat so that it fits right here, like this. So it should sit just like that. Now we need to take it back and place it inside our phone till it's fully closed. And also make sure to align the SIM ejection slot right like that. When you close it in, your phone should detect your SIM card. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.